Alright, hard cut. Friday, October 29th. So end of the week that we just saw. I've solidified a plan. So we're gonna do 50 Q-Bank questions every single day. Graduating in difficulty from lowest to highest in all the discrete questions, and then once we get through those, we'll move on to the passage questions. Do 50 of those every day, graduating from lowest to highest of difficulty. One CARS passage every day. So that's 4 to 7 questions or something. And then the mapped flashcard online booklet, 25 of those every day. And then I'm gonna make up some Anki decks, flashcard decks for amino acids and probably functional groups and anything else that comes along that's super memory heavy. And then try to read some form of scientific literature every day. Maybe Scientific America magazine or any scientific journal article or anything like that. 1 or 2 of those a day, maybe on my break or some shit, because my reading is ass right now in terms of speed and comprehension, so hopefully that can mitigate that. And then yeah, that's what we're gonna do for the first week, and then hopefully I'll master that and slowly add on some more things as we progress. We'll see if we can do this first. Alright, that's it.